guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do another get ready with me. Today we're gonna be creating this look right here. Hope you guys will like the video, and if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. I can't do it because you're here.
And you can.
Ah.
Lights, camera, action!
Please, babe, please. Yeah, I can't have this in my video. Okay, so we're gonna get started. So the look I want to do is like really summery, like this purple, yellow, like that shit. I actually bought this yesterday. I bought a garage. Okay, so the look that we're gonna do today, I saw a look on Pinterest. Okay, I don't know her Instagram, or I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Telolamis, that's her Instagram. Anyways, I saw the look and I thought it was like really pretty and like perfect like for my outfit, and very summery and yeah, very colorful. I like it. I'm like super inspired and I love the way it looks, so always give credit. So we're gonna start with the primer. I'm gonna go with the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. Smells so good, and I'm like obsessed with coconut. Okay, so this is the MAC Strobe Cream in Gold Lights. I just want to enhance like the dewiness, and it just adds like a beautiful glow. It also moisturizes your skin. We're gonna go with our foundation. I'm just gonna put some face and body. Okay, so just to add a bit more coverage, just because my skin is not looking great today, I'm just gonna go with my Tarte Shape Tape. So I'm gonna go do my brows and then I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I did my brows. I put a primer on my eyes. I just used the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. Okay, so this is a palette I have that I just put like my own colors in. I'm gonna go with this yellow shade right here. I'm gonna pop that in my crease. Actually, this shadow is from Morphe brushes, and it's called Sunflower. So I'm gonna put this yellow in my crease. Babe, so when are we filming a video together?
You're funny.
No, you're gonna do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna take my nylon eyeshadow and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. Okay, so I'm gonna just blend everything together. The yellow and nylon. It's like she has like a bit of a peachy color. I'm gonna take now my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So this one right here. And then I'm gonna take the shade Eden right here. So I'm gonna use the MAC 221 brush. So I'm gonna dip into that. I'm going to take some of that yellow again and just apply at the top just to blend everything. This is what you have. Yellow, like a peachy pink. Now I'm going to take the purple from the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to take this one right here. I got my nails done too. So pretty. So I'm looking, I have another brush like the one I just used for the peachy one. So now I'm going to dip into this one right here. And we're basically going to apply that below the peach color, because the main focus is the purple. We're just going to build up the purple even more. So we're going to apply that on the lid as well.
I'm so excited!
I want to get the palette. Are you going to get it for me?
No.
Really?
Yeah.
Cheap Portuguese.
Aren't you Portuguese?
You can start adding it onto the lid because it's a halo eye. We're going to be cutting the crease here. I miss doing colorful looks. It's so pretty. So here we have it. We have like the yellow, the peachy color, and then the purple. Now we're going to cut the crease. I'm just going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. I'm not the best at cut creases just because I don't have a lot of lid space. So for me, I find it kind of like difficult, just a tad. So right now I'm going to set it. I'm just going to use my Anastasia light to medium contour kit. I'm just going to set it like with the yellow and like pink shade. Now I'm going to just kind of blend the purple downwards. I'm going to blend the purple over here and then in a corner. So now I'm going to take a bit of the yellow. I want it to just kind of look like a fade. It's really just blending the colors. Okay, so I did this eye. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Liner. This one is Glam Rock. I'm going to put that like basically where I cut my crease, like here. Okay, so I added the glitter liner. So I'm just going to curl my lashes. I'm going to put mascara. I'm going to pop some lashes on. I'm going to go again with the Blinking Beauty lashes. I love these lashes. Ever since Jaclyn Hill used them on herself, I fell in love with them. They're just so flattering. They look so good. Okay, so we're gonna go with some concealer. I'm gonna set it with the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. Okay, so I'm gonna dust this off now. And now I'm going to go with my Mineralized Skin Finish Powder by MAC in medium golden. I'm going to contour now. So again, I'm just going to use my Anastasia contour kit. And I basically, since I'm a little darker now, I use like these two. Like I mix both of them. Now I'm going to use the Extra Dimension Blush by MAC. It's called Just a Pinch. So now it's highlight time. I'm going to use the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter by Fenty Beauty and Trophy Wife. Maybe I should mix it with my Anastasia. I'm going to put some on the temples. I decided to go with the Fenty Beauty. I'm actually going to put this in my inner corner as well. Okay, so I did my lower lash line and I just added some lipstick. I used the MAC lipstick Honey Love and the lip pencil Boldy Bear. I added a gloss on top. The Smashbox Be Legendary lip gloss in Caroline. So this is the finished look. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed the video, you can subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up, and you guys could let me know in the comment section what you guys would like to see as like videos. So, alright, thank you so much, and we'll see you in my next one.